What do you do to have that space to be alone, to really hear yourself? What are some of your methods that you use?
Yeah, so it is a practice, Anna. So when I first started out trying to check in with myself, it was remembering to make space. Okay, you've got to be a little bit regimented.
Yes.
And consistent. Okay, and if you don't check in with yourself, well, you're just not going to know where you're at. And checking in with yourself is a really simple practice of not having any external stimulus around, and just feeling into, how am I feeling right now? Whether it's a set time in the day, or whether it is knowing your bodily signals for when you're out of balance, and then checking in when you're out of balance. Well, what just happened to make me feel out of alignment? What was I doing? What was I saying? Who was I around? What was occurring? And, even through that checking in, you can start to unravel, well, hang on, maybe this environment, or this way of thinking, or this activity, or this food isn't actually for my highest good.